Hi everyone, my name is Dani and this is a mini tutorial on how to create my signature hair straight pattern. Okay, so we have done our pre-draw. We've pre-drawn our hair straights in on these brows and now we are just doing our first pass. So I'm going to have a real good firm stretch with these, my thumb and my middle finger, and then I'm going to use my little finger to pull the skin down further. If you need to put any weight on the client's face, it's going to be on their cheekbone rather than their eye. I'm going to start at the bottom, right at the end of the tail, and then just pull the needle back and forward. Okay, and then I'm going to do the top stroke now. Again, really good firm stretch, pulling the skin down. Pull the needle back and forward. Okay, and then I'm going to draw my spine. I might need to get some more pigment. Thank you. Maybe just come around this side. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to put the spine in now. Let's go from the middle of the two strokes that I've just done. And start to almost create an outline. So this is our under arch. Okay, and then again out from the spine. Okay, so the next hair straight, we can see really visibly here the one that we've drawn in. So we're going to go from the spine. Okay, again, we're working out from the spine. Always really slow with the needle. The slower you go, the more pigment will go in and the finer the hair stroke will be, providing you've got a real good stretch. Okay, so this stroke here, I need a really nice firm stretch. This area of the skin is very, very sensitive, so try and make sure that you hold your machine upright. Okay, and again here we're going to create some nice S strokes, so we're going to work from about here. Okay, so I'm going to have to move around to the back now to do these three strokes at the front. Okay, so now with my second pass I'm going to go over all my strokes that I've just done. Bring it down this way, so you've got almost like the connectors are almost doing like a V. So you need to wait until your clients come back with their healed results to make sure your pressure's okay. If you apply a little bit too much pressure, they can migrate into each other. Okay, so I'm going to put a few connectors through here and wherever I feel it needs it up here, and then numb again.